Hi everyone, Ryan Blair from LATICRETE, the Senior Product Manager, and today I wanted to announce new and improved formulas on both PERMACOLOR and PERMACOLOR Select. As you can see, it's an updated bag. Both these products actually have increased strength and better stain resistance. Both these products have a new aggregate. The new aggregate provides us with something that is the brightest of bright whites that you'll find in all cementitious grouts going forward. Once again with Select, that is our base material that is found in now a 10-pound product as opposed to the old 12.5 and 25-pounders. So you'll find this, that will sync up 1-for-1 with a pigment pack. And remember, PERMACOLOR Select is the industry's first and only water dispersible pigment solution, allowing us to have our AnyColor program where we can make any color you choose. Check out your local distributor or retailer for these new products, and we encourage you to try them. Thank you so much.